Can't find your debit card number and need it now? Don't panic, I'll show you exactly how to find it using the Chase mobile app in just a few simple steps. First things first, make sure you have the Chase mobile app downloaded on your phone. If you don't, you can find it in the App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, open the Chase mobile app and log in using your username and password or through biometric login, like fingerprint or facial recognition. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your account summary screen. Scroll through your list of accounts until you find the debit card account you're looking for. It will usually be labeled as checking. Tap on the specific checking account associated with the debit card whose number you need to find. This will bring you to your account details and recent transactions. Now, look for an option that says something like Show Details, Manage Account, or sometimes it's represented by a 3 dots menu or a gear icon. The wording might vary slightly depending on your app version. Tap on that. This should lead you to a screen where you can see all your account details. You'll likely see your account number, routing number, and other information. Locate the section that says Debit Card Number. You might need to tap on something like Show Card Number or Reveal Card Number. Chase will likely require you to verify your identity again using a security code sent to your phone or email. Follow the on-screen prompts. Once verified, your full debit card number will be displayed. And that's it. Your debit card number is now displayed. Make sure to write it down securely or copy and paste it where you need it, but never share it with anyone you don't trust.